How to create mockups in Canva 2023 step by step. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can create mockups in Canva in the easiest and most simplest way possible. So to lead yourself to do this, you're going to have to, go through a few steps, and I'm going to be walking you through every single step. So please do make sure to fully watch this video fully till the end. So to start things off, obviously, first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to your canva.com. Now, once you're into your canva.com, basically to create different mockups, you are going to want to, make a visualized design in your mind, like what kind of design or what kind of mockup design you want to go with. And, there's different mockup designs online that you can take inspiration from as well. I'm not exactly saying copy them, but, inspirations can be taken. There's different mockups. You can also check out Mockup World, which is the best, website for mockups. And you can take inspirations from there. Even if I go on images, you can see all these different mockup templates. Just go with whatever seems best to you. Okay. Like generally, whatever looks best or whatever gives the best feeler out, just go with that. There's different shirts that you can keep a mock-up for. You can add a mock-up for some box, some logo, some kind of painting if you want to go with that. It's an overall pretty fun general design to get your head around. So basically, just go with what looks best, and yeah, basically that is what we are gonna go with. Now, to move on from there in more detail and depth, what you can do is go into. So just choose any corresponding design with any mockup that you think looks good, and whatever design seems best, just go with it. There's tons and tons of mockups. Just go with a logo that quite fancy, or you could find mockup templates from Free Pick. Okay, so all you're gonna do is just gonna write Free Pick mockup, and here you're gonna get different PNGs for Free Pick mockups, and you can actually go ahead and download this to edit in Canva. So let's say I'm gonna go with some shirt mockup, okay? So let's say I'm gonna go with this. Okay, here we have a shirt mockup. I'm gonna click on download. I'm gonna click on free download, and wait, make sure to download it as a PNG and not a PSD or a JPEG at least. Because if you download it as a PSD file, as you can see, it's quite big. And so go with a JPEG, and once you download it as a JPEG, it's gonna basically bring the mockup to your page, and I'm just gonna save it image. There we go. Once you've saved the image, just go into your Canva design. Okay, on your Canva design, just create whatever type of mockup you want to go with. Okay, so let's say I'm gonna search up mockup templates over here. Okay, and from these mockup templates, just go with any. I'm gonna go with this, for example, or you can go with some free one. I'm gonna go with this. Click on customize, and in this mockup section, you're gonna obviously paste the photo that you just downloaded. So you can go ahead and delete that. Delete this as well. Delete the frame, and I'm just gonna delete these elements that they have. There we go. Including this, and now we're gonna add our mockup that we downloaded. There we go. And you're just gonna make sure to increase the resolution like this. And pretty easy, pretty simple. Then you can obviously go into editing the design. So this is your mockup, right? And obviously you can choose to add different designs into your mockup by adding a logo of your choice. Okay. So to add a logo of your choice, what you can do is you're going to come here, click on add page, and you can start editing or designing your logo over here. So obviously go with a logo that you think, is good. So let's say I'm going to go with this over here. I'm going to increase its size. I'm going to go ahead and pull up some elements for, or just choose one of these elements that I have used in the past. So here we have a logo, or a circle at least. And then in this circle, you can add different, you could say designs, or you know what, I have a better idea. You could delete this up. Okay, I have a few of these, thingamajiggies over here, and we could actually use these. So I'm gonna basically bring this here, rotate it, Okay, into 180-degree angle. Bring this here. And then we're going to do the same. Take this design over here. And I'm going to rotate this to the right-hand side. There we go, by 90 degrees. There we are. Make sure to separate it accordingly. And like the design obviously meets ends together. So I'm just going to do that. And then obviously one more to complete the design. And there we go. So there you've, added a boundary or a square in which we're going to do some designing. So here's your square. And once you've created a square for yourself, from there, you're obviously going to want to add more detail into the square. So you could add some text into it. You could add some, so let's say this is your signature design. You can add this into the square. Give this some color. Let's say I'm going to make it white. Even these designs over here, you can give it a different shade of color. So let's say I'm going to make it this shade. Now, obviously, the white shade, we can't see anything of it. But don't worry, I am going to change its color to a bit of an off-white, you could say. I'm going to come to white and I'm going to make it a bit of an off-white like that. And once you do this, you're going to go on share. You're going to click on download. We're going to download it as a PNG, but you're probably wondering, like, the background is quite strange. So how will we add it in our minimalist background? So we're going to go here. We're going to go remove.bg. Make sure your shirt is still up here or your mockup is still up here. And once your mockup's still up here, you're going to go here, click on upload image, upload the image that we just downloaded. Okay. And obviously, I'm just going to go ahead, extract it. Once it's been extracted, we're going to copy this image, bring it here. I'm going to bring it straight over, drop this image. Once the image is dropped, remove the background, click on download. You're going to download the design, come over here, take your design, bring it here. And once you bring it here, I'm just going to make sure to crop it out. And once we do that, obviously you can see that there's a dark widget on it. Don't worry about that. You're just going to go into your elements. Once you go into your elements, just choose a circle or some kind, or, any shape that can block this out. You can even use a square if you want to. But a circle would mark pretty much work better because, yeah, there we go. Now you're just gonna, match the color with the shirt's color. And there you go. It's uncanny. You can't even tell. Then you're just gonna position this to come forward. And yeah, then just edit your design as you like it. And let's say I'm just gonna add this over here. And you can create different mockups like these for yourself. So pretty easy and pretty simple. And then you can just add as many designs as you want. And that is how you're gonna be creating different mockups in Canva in the easiest way. So thank you for watching, and please do make sure to drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.